Good afternoon. So I'm out here in Napomo cleaning some rain gutters. Just want to show you viewers, this is what I vacuumed out. The roofer cut the tile, he just threw this in the rain gutters. And this house is probably about 10 years old. So I recommend all homeowners get their rain gutters inspected on the inside. Make sure that there's no tile, roofing material, dried out caulking tubes, or anything else like that. Those are some items I've actually found doing this over maybe a 6-year period. So I'm just making this video so my viewers could be well informed. Excuse me, if they're a homeowner or if they're renting and they have rain gutters, maybe you want to contact your landlord and ask them to have them cleaned. So these are downspouts go underground, so it's very important to know where the water comes out, because we know it goes here, and the homeowner's telling me it's going out to the street. So you guys want to make sure you got good drainage so that it doesn't back up and overflow on the roof. So that's about it. I want to thank my viewers. Anybody watching this video for the first time, please like and subscribe. And maybe next time we'll talk about some investments, some stocks or something. You can always check it out on the Robinhood app. McDonald's is a good company, Amazon. Google's looking pretty good, but they're not giving any dividends yet as far as I know. And YouTube, that's gonna, I think that's gonna be a good investment, just like Microsoft. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for viewing. And that's about it.